You're thinking that after what happened at Harlingen, we should quit.
Yeah.
Let me just tell you. You guys are gonna make it. You're gonna record records. You're gonna play everywhere. You're gonna play Disney World.
Disney World? You really think we'll make it there?
I know you will. I also know how hard it is to make it in the music business. But every single star that's a star right now had their Harlingen once. And if we try hard, and if we really want it, we can do it. Do you believe me?
Yeah, Daddy. I believe you.
Selena, you hear that music?
Yeah.
That's a cumbia.
Cumbia.
The dance your dad and I used to dance when we were young.
You did. We used to do the washing machine.
You want me to show you?
Yeah.
Come here.
What?
First you start, moving your hip like this. There you go, mija. And bigger, bigger, and a little help. There you go.
Do the washing machine.
Wait a minute. There you go. You get the washing machine going. Your father likes the washing machine.
That's it,
Move your
washing
hip.
machine.
There you go.
Yeah.
Make a little circle. Selena! There you go. Back.